Hey, I'm Oliver Hoare. I'm a builder slash carpenter, and yeah. Well, I'm originally from Queensland, so coming down here and seeing the property prices at me being young as well, it was pretty eye-opening, going, holy crap, this is a $540,000 place, apartment, one bed, compared to going to Queensland. That's my mum's 3-bedroom hectare property just close to Noosa. So gauging that's like, was a big shock. Look, I was looking in Queensland to start with, and then I tried to bring that money to Sydney, and I did get a bit of a shock. So I was looking for about, I'd say, 4 months not seriously, about 4 months seriously, and then I was signed with another agency for a little bit, got messed around for another 2 to 3 months, and then, yeah. For me, I'm at work every single day. I start work at 7, I finish at 4, I have commitments after work. I do have the time to look at properties, but I don't have the time to source off-market opportunities. I don't have the time to talk to real estate agents every single day, day in, day out. Like, I can enjoy it, but there's enough small talk. I can't small talk for my whole life. Coming to you, I knew that you had relationships with agents, with other people, with vendors and stuff like that. And yeah, I saw your social media. I've seen everything out and about. I think I heard some testimonials online, and I was like, he seems to know what he's doing, and yeah. Well, it was a call on the 3rd day saying I potentially found a property for you. I was like, book it in, we'll go see it straight away. Rocked up, saw the inspection. It was exactly what I asked for, a bit scrappy, bit run down, something that I could do up myself. And I walked out of that and said, I've just got to get in the market, I've just got to pull the trigger and stop wasting my time. And I think we got cut the chase and just went straight for it. Look, I don't think I would have been able to achieve that by myself. In the market these days with COVID, no chance. Oh, 100%. Just to be in and out during a period of time where you can't really go in and out so fast. It may not be for everyone, but I think it is. If you're in Sydney and you're looking for a property and you have a very niche area, I would definitely approach a buyer's agent. Just have a chat, talk about what you want, tell them what you want, and I think that's the best way to go about it.